That package you...
Yo, alright. So that stolen package, it was a trumpet. Stolen from Ronnie Bluefinger's Oaths. Why is that a big deal, you may ask? Long time ago, he and Miles were the best sidemen in town until... actually, I'll tell you the rest in a second. Let's get to the spot. Alright. Hang tight for a sec. Okay, follow that van. He's gonna lead us to some, highly volatile materials. But don't let him make you. So, Miles and Bluefingers. On the scene, up and coming, until Miles breaks his hand in a fight. Never quite recovers. Loses his mojo after that. But that's when they hear the legend of the trumpet. Not just any trumpet. A magic trumpet that they say was gifted to Hot Air Willis at a Delta crossroad by the devil himself. In exchange for his soul. Crazy, right? Hang on, I think we're almost there. Here we go. Take those guys out and get those materials. I'll cover you. Nice, get in. Okay, new destination. Go. So Fingers and Miles go on this whole road trip adventure to find the magic trumpet. Think it'll help Miles get his mojo back. Only they never find it. Fingers finds it and goes on to become one of the greats. So Fingers enjoys a great jazz career, and Miles, well, he gets by all right, but you see it, right? His friends screwed him and left him behind. And Fingers owes his career to that trumpet. So we're gonna bring his career crashing down with the help of these materials we're gathering. Speaking of which... All right, do it. Come on, let's go. All right, let's get this stuff to eat. Oh, man, this is gonna be awesome.